Once upon a time, in the golden heart of the African savanna, there lived a young elephant named Elara. He was a gentle giant, taller than the acacia trees, with tusks like polished ivory and a trunk strong enough to lift boulders. Yet despite his power, Elara was humble and kind, always using his strength to help others. The animals adored him, but some whispered, "Why does someone so mighty bother with creatures so small?" One scorching afternoon, as Elara splashed in a watering hole, he heard a frantic squeak. A tiny mouse named Milo was trapped beneath a fallen branch, his tail pinned. "Help! Please!" Milo cried. Elara didn't hesitate. With one careful nudge of his trunk, he lifted the branch, freeing the trembling mouse. Grateful, Milo bowed. "Thank you, great Elara. I may be small, but if you ever need help, call for me." Elara chuckled warmly. "You're brave, little one." But what could a mouse do for an elephant? Still, he appreciated Milo's spirit and invited him to ride on his back as they journeyed home. Days passed, and their friendship blossomed. Milo would recount stories of the savanna's hidden corners, while Elara shielded him from prowling jackals. But some animals sneered. A haughty zebra once teased, "Elara, why waste time with a speck like Milo?" The elephant simply replied, "Kindness is never wasted." Then came the night of the great storm. Thunder shook the earth and winds tore trees from the ground. Elara trumpeted a warning, herding animals to a cave. But as the rains poured, he realized the narrowest path was blocked by a rockslide, trapping a family of hedgehogs. Elara strained to move the boulders, but even his strength wasn't enough. "Let me try," piped Milo. The other animals gasped. "You? You're no bigger than a pebble." But Milo scurried into the cracks between the rocks, gnawing at vines and loosening pebbles. Bit by bit, the rubble shifted, until the path was clear. The hedgehogs scurried to safety, and the animals cheered as dawn broke. The savanna gleamed with rain. The zebra hung his head. "Elara! Milo! I was wrong. You proved that true strength isn't just size. It's heart and teamwork." Elara nuzzled Milo with his trunk. And sometimes the smallest friend can be the mightiest hero of all. From that day on, no one doubted the power of kindness, courage, or unlikely friendships, and Elara and Milo's bond became legend across the savanna. Moral of the story: strength comes in many forms. Sometimes the smallest among us have the biggest impact.